Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Chilaquiles, Spanish pronunciation. Chilaquiles, from the Nahuatl word chilaquilil, chilaquilet, chilies and greens, is a traditional Mexican breakfast dish consisting of corn tortillas cut into quarters and lightly fried.
Let's help you make your mark.
Encarnación Pinedo. Chilaquiles are said to have been first brought to America in a cookbook by Encarnación Pinedo, the Spanish cook, in 1898. The basic makings of traditional chilaquiles are simply crunchy fried corn tortilla pieces, with a chili salsa over them. Simmered until the tortilla starts softening to absorb the sauce's flavor.
Take our lead.
Unlike nachos, chilaquiles are a meal to be eaten with a fork. Nothing is wasted in the Mexican home, so this dish was born as a clever way to revive yesterday's tortillas and leftover salsa. At Loteria, you can ask for chilaquiles to be topped with a fried egg, frijoles negros, or shredded chicken or beef.
Take our lead.
Chilaquiles are the red-headed stepchild of the food world. Breakfast calls it a brunch food. It's time for chilaquiles to take center stage. This egg, tortilla, and salsa dish is equal parts easy, versatile, and incredibly delicious. 16 June 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some popular chilaquiles ingredients include fried or scrambled eggs, cheese, chilies, sour cream, raw onions, cilantro or chorizo. Meats include shredded beef or chicken, but chicken is the more common choice. 18 February 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The reason chilaquiles taste so good is their combination of rich ingredients, fried chips, savory sauce and melty cheese. Consider lightening things up by balancing out those flavors with cooling sour cream, herbaceous cilantro, tangy pickled jalapenos or spicy radishes. 3 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.